Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can edit any text in scanned image or PDF. So let's get started. First of all, you gotta download Adobe Acrobat and you gotta open that specific PDF or that image using Adobe Acrobat. Once you do so, you gotta redirect yourself to all the tools here at the left side and you should see the tool that says Edit a PDF. You can just click on that and then you gotta select the area that you wish to edit. For example, let's remove this colon from here and I'm gonna erase this. And instead of that, I'm gonna type in below, such as example below, and then type in colon once again right in front of it. So now you can see that I have successfully edited that text in this PDF. And just like that, you can also edit any text in any scanned image if you open that using Adobe Acrobat. And that's the end of today's video. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving a like. It really helps me out and I'll see you next time.